Good morning, viewers. Just heading down the beach for a bit of a swim. We live about 40-minute drive from the beach, so it's not too bad. It's easy road down. So I've packed the boogie board. My sidecar monkeys have deserted me because there's meant to be scattered thunderstorms. I would have gone earlier this morning when it would have been a bit nicer, but sidecar monkeys had some appointments and so on, so we're heading down mid-morning, so they're going to follow me down later. So we'll go down and see if we can get some waves. Okay, more later when we get a bit closer. Okay, we're nearly there, so we're about to head down the mountain, down Ural Pass, and it doesn't seem to be any wind up. I was worried coming this late that the wind might blow the surf out, so if there's any swell, there might be some decent waves. Let's have a look. So we cruise down Ural Pass. There we are, and if you can see that view, I might stop on the way back up to get some shots of the view there. But it looks pretty smooth. Awesome. Doesn't look like the wind's come up yet. Thunderstormy days. Sometimes you get these thunderstorm days and the wind doesn't come up. You get that glassy surface, if you're lucky. Other times, it's pot luck, isn't it? Other times, thunderstormy sort of day and wind comes up, but there's no nor'easter blowing yet. So it's just still. The calm before the storm. Down at the beach here. Sand on point there. The car park's pretty busy. We'll get our first look at the surf conditions around this corner. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, not bad. Not much swell though. We'll go and get wet anyway. Not as adventurous as I used to be in the surf, so 2 or 3 foot is fine with me. I don't need to get pounded by 6 foot anymore. So it's pretty ordinary there. We'll go and have a look. Okay, well, here we are. I've got a good parking spot. There's some waves over there. Let's go and have a look. It was good fun, but I'm not looking forward to putting these hot, smelly boots on. We'll go and sit down over here and put the boots on.
Recording.
Well, that was the beach. Time to head home up the mountain. Here we go. Yeah. We better. Okay, well, there's the big mountain. The Ural attempts the big mountain up Willow Pass. Let's go. So it's been like a little mini holiday. Head to the beach. It's nice and cool down here. I reckon it's about 27 or 28 degrees down here. It'll be over 30 at home. The dogs will be not very impressed being left outside in the heat. And here we go, up the big hill. Let's see how we go. Oh, what a magical day. Beautiful. Well, it was pretty nice. There was no wind. Usually every time I come down in the afternoon it's blowing a gale, but you can get lucky, and today we were lucky. Just a slight cooling breeze, but no nor'easter and no storms, so we're just cooling off, heading up the mountain. Okay, we'll catch you later. Okay, well, that's it, viewers, so thanks for watching. Another magical day on planet Earth, and we'll see you next time on the Creaky Rider. So bye for now.